Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done about the nutrition in amoeba and their nutrition in the human being, how their nutrition is take place in amoeba and human being. This topic we have done yesterday. Now today we will do that nutrition in ruminants. Then there is the same process in all type of the organisms. That is the 5 processes take place. First is the ingestion, that taking food, digestion, that is the breakdown of the food, and absorption, that means absorbed nutrients by the food particles, and the assimilation is the utilization of our food, and egestion means undigested food is take out from body. Now next topic we will start ruminants. Nutrition in ruminants. What are the ruminants? Ruminants are those type of the animals which can eat only grass, that is the depend upon the grass. These animals will come in ruminants. Now certain grass eating animals such as cow, buffalo, deer and sheep quickly gather their food and they chew the food rapidly, mixed it with the saliva, and they swallow it hardly. Then in type of the ruminants, they are taking food and chewing and mix its saliva for the digestion. Then do you know why? Now we will read what is the region of this eating food. Carnivores eat these grass eating animals as their food. Carnivores are the animals which are eating grass. Then to avoid being caught by carnivores, grass eating animals quickly eat their food. These are the type of the animals which can eat food. They can that move to safer place and bring the food back into the mouth in small lumps and chew it. They are the safer. They are keep there as they are taking the food from the mouth. Then they will keep that food in the safe place, and after some time they will bring again in the mouth for the chewing. The process of the chewing food is called rumination. This process is known as rumination, and this process is take place, that type of animal is known as the ruminants. Now we will read about their different type of the composition of the ruminants, then how their nutrition is take place in the different part. In ruminants, stomach is divided into 4 chambers. There is a rumen, reticulum, osmosis and abdomensis. This type of the stomach is called compound stomach. There is a 4 chambers like this in our body, having the same for the digestion. Their stomach is divided into 4 chambers: rumen, reticulum, osmosis, abomosis, and these are called compound stomach. Now there in picture we can see, then from mouth, then grass is taken by the animal, and this one is the pass through the esophagus, and there is a different part in the stomach. Then this part is abdomen, and this one is the reticulum, and there is a omosis, and this one is the rumen, and there is a large intestine. In picture we can see. Now in the stomach, there how their process is take place, this we will read. The food is swallowed, goes into the first and last chamber, the rumen. First the food is taken by the mouth, then it will be engulfed by the animal, and it goes into the first and largest chamber called rumen. Largest chamber is rumen of the stomach, and it is partially digested and is called cud. Partially means half digested is called cud. It then goes to second chamber or the reticulum, from where it return to the mouth for through chewing. After the storage in form of cud, then it go in the second chamber, that is reticulum, from where it return to the mouth for the chewing. After chewing and mixed with the saliva, then the rechewed food is swallowed again. After chewed again, that food will come in the mouth, then there again chewing take place by the animal, and after chewed food again, then it will be swallowed by the animal again. It now bypass the first 2 chamber, enter the third and the smallest chamber, the osmosis, and there is the digestion take place, that means broken down into the simple pieces. The food enter the 4th chamber. After that food enter the 4th chamber, that known as the amosum, and here a kind of the gastric juice, that is a type of the gastric juice containing enzyme and hydrochloric acid is secreted, and the process of digestion comes to an end. The digested process is now passed into the small intestine and absorption of food take place. The undigested food passes through the large intestine and is digested from the body. Digestion मतलब going out from the body, undigested food, that is known as the digestion process. There is a different type of the process take place like this in ruminants of the nutrition. Now chapter is over. In this chapter we have read about their nutrition in animal, how the nutrition is take place in animal. There is a nutrition in animal, there is a three type of nutrition we have done in animal, in human being. In animal we have done of the cow, that how the nutrition is take place in cow, in ruminants we can say, and in amoeba nutrition also we have done, and the human being nutrition we have done. There is a same 5 processes take place in all living organisms, how their 5 processes take place. Now after this one, now our exercise, there is a in exercise that you have to, for your homework you have complete there this A section for your homework, that process of ingestion of food, digestion of food, absorption of food, digestion of food, and persistence. These already we have done, so try to do yourself, and these question also write in your fair notebook, and these also. If there is a problem, then tomorrow we will discuss answer of these questions. Otherwise do in your fair notebook this exercise up to section E part. Now remaining for your tomorrow this section B part. Now your chapter is completed.